Hello YouTubers! Today we are cooking with Nancy. She's gonna show us how to make a Vietnamese dish called CHAOTOM. In English, sugarcane shrimp. So let's get started. Let's start off with a bowl of peeled shrimps. Then we crush them. Next, we mince them. Now we take our cleaver and cut our sugar cane like so. We want the longest pieces, about 4 to 5 inches in length.
So you have to take the skin out.
Cutting off the skin takes special care. Please be careful with your cleaver. Then we cut them into thinner lengths. Cut them about 4 to 5 inches in length. Now check out the rest of the ingredients.
1 pound of shrimp, peel, devein, and mince. Sugar cane sticks, about that size. 2 tablespoons of onion, the shallots, minced. 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, 2 teaspoons of fish sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. So you add them all together. A dash of salt, 1 egg, two tablespoons of brown sugar, mix it up really well. You're going to need a double steamer. There's water on the bottom. So you add the water. So you fill it up with about 3/4 of the pot of water. Okay. So here's a cooking spray. You spray it so it doesn't stick to the bottom.
We put a plate at the bottom so the spray does not go into the water.
Next, we're gonna do this. Take that, take about a scoop, put it in like so.
Set the temperature on high.
Turn it to set high. Okay, good.
Now place them into the steamer. When the water has boiled, stack the steamers together and close the lid.
And you will steam for 8 minutes.
When done, take them out and put them in a plate for a few minutes to cool off. Now let's take it outside and get the barbecue ready.
We're gonna grease the barbecue so the shrimp doesn't stick. Right. Grease it, so put the sugarcane shrimp on there, give a nice char color, put it away from direct heat. Now we're going to flip it over. See some nice line mark of the barbecue. We're going to flip it one more time. Crank up the heat a bit. Right, that's all you wanted because it's already cooked.
And it's done. Take a look. It's got the golden charred look. Now it's time to serve. So if you liked our video, give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.